Welcome to a tutorial on how to get to your discussion boards. These are going to be new as of Unit 3 for grades 4 and 5, and I'm creating these based upon the feedback from your family surveys and individual surveys that you'd like to talk to students more and get more feedback, getting to know students, and being able to discuss different topics with your classmates. So I created some threads where you can actually do that. And what you have to do is on your home page, go down to where it says discussion board and click that link. Once you click that link, it's going to take you to the set of discussion boards that I've created. And there are some 4th grade and there are some 5th grade. What I'd like you to do is, if you're in 4th grade, you would be using the structure, function, and information processing, or the geography tab. I'm just going to go into one of these. 5th graders, you'd be using Earth Systems and American Indian Influence. But what you do is you click on the tab to get into it. Once it takes you in, it's going to take you to the main page. And there are 2 different things that you can do. The first you can do is subscribe, and what you can do by subscribing is it's going to send you when other people post things on it, but also you can take a look at what I have posted. And for each unit, at the beginning of each unit, I am going to post, and when it shows up here, I'll show you specifically, but it's going to say what you can do on each of the threads, and each unit is going to be the same. So under this thread, feel free to ask any questions from within the unit. You can also submit work for others to see. You can share ideas that you might want to write about, and that could be also about projects. You can answer each other's questions, and you can ask each other's questions. The couple of ways to do that: number 1, you could reply. So by replying to mine, what I'd like you to do is title your reply with what you would like your question topic to be. So for example, you could say, and I don't remember which one this is, so information processing, so this is the I. So it's a question on the I, and once you post your question, you're going to hit submit. When you hit submit, and I'm just going to cancel because I don't want it to show up yet, it'll show up right underneath this box that I've created. Once you do that, you can reply to other people. You can email the author of the post, but a great thing about this is now you're able to communicate with one another. So for example, if on your final paper for this unit you wanted to find out if anyone else is doing the same animal as you so you can share information, you may want to post and ask if anyone is doing that animal. For the 5th and 6th graders who are viewing this, you're going to think about the projects that you're completing. So for example, for a Native American history, some of you may have chosen the same tribes. You may want to bounce information off of each other so that you can use each other as resources. And this is a great opportunity for you to do that. If you want to just look and see what other people are writing so that you can think about it, all you have to do is go back to that main page. And I'm going to go back one more. And it's the discussion board page. On that page, you're going to see the list of unread posts, and that'll be in red. So right now, for example, since I just looked at this one, I've read all the posts that are in existence. For the other 3, I have not. Also, it'll tell you how many people have participated in the post thread. Make sure that you know that this isn't required, but it's just another opportunity for you to work and get to know your classmates just a bit better. I would strongly suggest using this, and each unit I'll create one for social studies and for science.